The Introduction to Lean for Service and Manufacturing course is part of the Lean for Business Organizations program, which includes a total of 6 sections. This one, the Introduction to Lean for Service and Manufacturing, using Lean for Perfection and Quality, Lean Tools and Techniques for Flow and Pull, Reducing Waste and Streamlining Value Flow using Lean, Value Stream Mapping in Lean Business and Applying Lean in Service and Manufacturing Organizations. This Introduction to Lean for Service and Manufacturing introduces you to the basic principles of Lean, which will help you create more efficient processes and get you on the road to successful operations management. It also outlines the 5-step process for implementing Lean. By learning how to implement Lean in your organization, you can reduce the cost of developing your company's product, increase production efficiency, and improve safety, quality, and performance levels. Finally, the course explains how Lean integrates with a Six Sigma production management system. Using this hybrid approach enables you to minimize process and product defects, and to identify and resolve pervasive problems. That's it. Now go ahead and push that, take this course button, and see you on the inside.